like seeing the pedals because they're kind of ugly, your feet, you know. So you have to sit in the back seats because the firewall's back. So we put clown mannequins in the front seats, little children ones with articulating fingers. So, and there's 4 steering wheels, so when we get pulled over or land where we live, the police always say, which one of you clowns is driving? And there's 4 steering wheels too, so that's always helpful. Lawrence and Scott were from Orlando, Florida.
Yep.
We drove up from Orlando, about a 14-hour drive each way. Well, you had to have a vehicle powered by an LS. We did this about a year and a half ago, and I said, let's take the thing to the LS Festival.
What better thing to take?
Yeah. This is a 1973 Volkswagen Thing.
Yep.
I got it from a friend of mine from high school.
Hot Wheels. That was the
Hot Wheels, yeah.
Hot Wheels car.
Everybody's always seen a Thing, always thought about it, like, we're going to do it. It's powered by LSX-427 with a 1071 blower on it that Prestige Motors made for us. It makes 917 horsepower.
Motor sitting on an S10 frame that was shortened. Did a 4-link in the rear end with a 12-bolt GM rear end.
It's got a TCI 700R4.
Yep.
Got a lot of low car parts on it, a lot of Amazon parts.
Yeah, a lot of custom stuff.
A lot of stuff we had to make.
The intercooler, a lot of the intercooler pieces were all custom. Power steering pump, reservoir was custom made. All the frame mounts, the body was married to the chassis. All that had to be worked out. Square tube. All the flooring was custom sheet metal.
I do all the drawings and Scott makes it all happen. He does all the work.
It drives great until you hammer the throttle.
Yeah, as long as you're going easy, it's minimal traction, so
it's good for burnouts.
Yeah. 1 mile a gallon and 2 sets of tires a gallon, right? So yeah. And we go like miles per smile, so that's how we drive. Things originally came with wooden floorboards in them, so I wanted to look like Adirondack chairs, you know, with the wood, the carving, so it looked like wood.
Kind of went with the theme of the car.
With wood, so to keep it all together. Now, I think we pissed off 2 Volkswagen people, But that was about it.
Yeah,
only two.
Yeah, they were not happy about this.
No. This is a real 1973 thing that could have been put back together to being a Volkswagen Thing, but not in our world. So. No.
Why do that?
Yeah, we had to run the exhaust on the side because there's no room under the car.
Yeah. Which
also makes you not be able to open the front doors, which is just as well. It took about 15 months to put it together from start to finish.
Glad to be here.
Yeah.
Awesome show.
Can't wait to come back again.